Hello, today we will discuss how you can qualify for Paid Family Leave PFL. Watch until the end of the video to gather all the essential information you need. Paid Family Leave, or PFL, is a short-term wage replacement benefit designed for individuals who need to take time off work to attend to family matters. It is an excellent initiative, but there are specific criteria you must meet to enjoy the program's benefits. First, you must be unable to perform your regular work duties. If you are unemployed or actively seeking work when taking family leave, this also counts towards qualification. The reasons for taking leave must fall into one or more of the following categories: providing care for a critically ill relative, bonding with a newborn in the family, or participating in an event necessary to qualify a family member for military deployment. Additionally, you must have earned the minimum required amount from the state disability insurance program. Since these requirements can differ from state to state, it is advisable to consult your state's Department of Labor for more precise details. Furthermore, you need to complete and submit the PFL application form, along with the necessary supporting documents, no earlier than the first day of your leave. By following these simple guidelines, you can determine if you are eligible for paid family leave. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.